figured you guys would want to see saw and some juniper. Yep, that was all ported by me. What a beauty. To limbing, some people prefer 28-inch bar. Why? Because they don't have to bend over. Let me show you guys exactly what I'm talking about here. Anyways, I prefer to limb with this saw. Goes to show. If I'm standing on the ground though, and I'm working on it over the top, I prefer a smaller bar like this. How you guys doing today? Brainiac Productions here, 357 Saw Shop. And I got another 590 video. Darth Vader's here. Lord Vader is here. Anyways, the saw is running really well. Anyways, stay tuned, stick around. Got some pine. All of it's really big. All of it's over 20 inches wide. So hopefully you guys like what I'm doing out here. Ponderosa pine, I think the hardness is around, I don't know, 450, 500. Hopefully you guys like the video. Like and subscribe. I put in a lot of time and effort into these videos, and a lot of it is just, I wouldn't even film this stuff, but I feel like it'll help a lot of you guys. So hopefully you guys like what I'm doing. As far as my air filter kits, whatever, there's a company that was trying to charge me an arm and a leg to do them, around $2,500 just to design them, and that was like the guy's bottom line. Like, he wouldn't touch it for underneath that. And then I found another Chinese company that would do them, and we really didn't discuss price, but I've never heard back from them. That was about, a couple weeks ago now. Stuck with trying to get a 3D printer, but that's miles down the road. I know A2 Designs will be coming out with one, who knows when, and I'm sure that thing will be supreme. My air filter on my 4910 for a while, and I really like it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the new cut times on the 590. My port worked out well, my tuning worked out well, and the saw is screaming. As Dave said, Dave is very knowledgeable. The exhaust is definitely a governor on these things. 35 thousandths on the squish. Actually, it's 30 thousandths on the squish, so it's right in that area. That was fucking hard. That was very hard to get this set up. It is not light. I know a lot of you guys will preach that it's garbage wood, but yeah, it's wood. Or Darth Vader, as you guys can see from the sticker. Yeah, all I did was port it, put in an anti-lean jet nozzle, whatever you want to call it, different air filter, 24-inch bar. I wasn't too happy with the performance of the saw, but today has changed everything. This is the saw I will take. Information, that's a steel 25-inch bar right there, so that is some thick material. Look at that. I mean, it's at least 22 inches wide. That is some thick stuff there, Hoss. Anyways, the saw is doing way better, holding better RPMs. Yeah, what can I say besides hell yeah?